Welcome to this training on managing your user profile. In this section, we'll explore the Profile drop-down menu where you can manage your profile settings. You can view your username and email address and find the option to log out when you are finished using the platform. In this slide, we are looking at the integration with Google Calendar. Here you can click the Sync Now button to manually sync your events. If you encounter any sync issues, the setup information will help guide you through resolving them and ensuring your events keep track appropriately. Next, we'll discuss the company time zone settings. Here you will find the default time zone dropdown, where you can select the time zone for your calendar events. Additionally, there's an option to manage lead sources related to different aspects of your business, helping you to keep everything organized by the time zone you've set. This slide focuses on your notification preferences and your account section. Here, you can customize which notifications you wish to receive and see your account information, including your name, email, and role. You also have the option to edit these details directly from this section.